Hello student, this is my fourth lecture on differential equation for third sem students. I am Ms. Ranjana Datta from the Department of Mathematics, Graduate School College for Women. Today we will discuss about the differential equation in which the method of changing of the independent variable is applied. Let d2y by dx square second degree equation d2y by dx square plus p dy by dx plus qy is equal to r. Then where p, q, r are the functions of x, let z is equal to fx. Then dy by dx can be written as dy by dz and dz by dx. Similarly, d2y by dx square can be written as shown on your screen. So, putting the value of dy by dx and d2y by dx square in the original equation number 1, we get d2y by dz square plus p1 dy by dz plus q1y is equal to r1, where p1 is given is on your screen and r1 is on your screen. See the differential equation here, d2y by dz square. Previously it was given d2y by dx square. Then p1 dy by dz, that is the independent variable x has transformed into the independent variable z. So method of changing of independent variable are changed. So where P1 is given, Q1 is given and R1 is given. Now let us choose such that P1 is equal to 0. So P1 is equal to 0, that means d2z by dx square plus p dz by dx is equal to 0. So here we put dz by dx as q. So d2z by dx square can be written as dq by dx plus p into q is equal to 0. Then which after integration gives us dz by dx is equal to e to the power integration of minus p dx. So z is equal to e to the power p dx and then integral over dx. Now, after putting p1 is equal to 0, the equation reduces to d2y by dz square plus q1 y is equal to r1. If q, so in this case, now the second case, here q by dz by dx square is taken as a square. So a into dz by dx is equal to root q and z is equal to 1 by a into integration of q dx. So this way, after calculating, we get d2y by dz square plus p1 dy by dz plus a square y is equal to r1. Now take an example here. Example is solve d2y by dx square plus cot x dy by dx plus 4y cosec square x is equal to 0. Here p is equal to cot x, q is equal to 4 cosec square x and r is equal to 0. Now the transformed equation can be written as d2y by dz square plus p1 dy by dz plus q1 into y is equal to 0, where p1 is given and q1 is given. So applying this method, we get now this can be written as cot x. Applying this, we can be let us choose z such that p1 is equal to 0. Now the equation is equal to cot x dz by dx plus d2y by d2z by dx square is equal to 0. Put dz by dx is equal to z. Sorry. Put dz by dx is equal to q. Then cot q plus dq by dx is equal to 0. This gives us dq by dx is equal to minus q cot x. Then dq by q is equal to minus cot x dx, which on integration gives us q is equal to cosec x. Now dz by dx is equal to cosec x, which gives us dz is equal to cosec x into dx. So z is equal to integration of cosec x dx. So z is equal to log of tan x by 2. Now q1 is equal to q by dz by dx, dz by dx the whole square, which on substituting the values gives us q1 is equal to 4. Now the equation transform into d2y by dz square plus 4y is equal to 0. Here we have taken p1 is equal to 0, and after that we get q1 is equal to 4. So we write it as d2y by dz square plus 4y is equal to 0. Then y, we can solve this type of equation, differential equation, by putting y is equal to c1 cos 2z plus c2 sin 2z, and after calculating and putting x, z is equal to log of tan of x by 2, we get the result. And the second method is also given on your screen. You try at home. This is the method of changing the independent variable. Now we will talk about the variation of parameter of the equation of second degree d2y by dx square plus p dy by dx plus qy is equal to r. Let y is equal to ux and y is equal to vx be any linearly independent solution of this equation. Then the complementary function y is equal to au plus bv, where a and b are arbitrary constants. So we can write it as u2 plus pu1 plus qu is equal to 0, and v2 plus pb1 plus qv is equal to 0. Let us assume that a and b are differentiable. Here a and b are not constant. A and b are differentiable function of x. Treating a and b as the function of x, and determine what conditions they must satisfy in order that y is equal to a x into ux plus b into bx into vx be a solution of d2y by dx square plus p dy by dx plus qy is equal to r. Now dy by dx can be after differentiation can be written as shown, and dy by dx is equal to au1 plus v1 plus au2 plus v1v. So let us consider a1u plus b1b is equal to 0. From that we get dy by dx equal to au1 plus bb1 d2y by dx square as shown on your screen. Then calculating, we get a1 u1 plus b1 v1 is r equal to r. From 5 and 6 we can get a1 u plus b1 b equal to 0, and a1 u1 plus b1 v1 is equal to r. So combining these two we get the result, that is y equal to au plus bv. Now, take one example. Solve d2y by dx square minus y is equal to tan x. The auxiliary equation can be written as m square plus 1 is equal to 0. So, m is equal to plus minus I. So, the correction factor y is equal to a cos x plus b sin x. Let a and b are functions of x to be determined. Let u is equal to cos x and b is equal to sin x. So u1 and b1 is calculated. Hence a and b satisfy the equation, and they can be written as a1u plus b1b is equal to 0, and again differentiating a1 u1 plus b1 b1 is equal to r. So combining this we can get the value of a and b, and y is equal to a cos x plus b x bx sin x. Substituting the value we get the result. So student, today this much only. Thank you. Some homework is given. Please try at home.